Good evening, guys. Welcome back. Welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle. The fourth and last puzzle is a jigsaw Sudoku. Jigsaw Sudoku number 8767. In the additional of today's newspaper on Friday. Yes, it's still Friday, June the 21st, 2024. And I've already solved 3 puzzles, the 3-star Sudoku, the 4-star Sudoku, and the binary. It's time now for the Jigsaw Sudoku. Jigsaw Sudoku. This one, before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 13 printed digits. Well, let me tell you, the hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. I don't think it's a 4-star puzzle, but it's indicated with 4 stars, and for 4 stars puzzle, we need 30 minutes or more to solve. Here, let me, this is a 4 stars, okay, 30 minutes or more. Is this really a 4 stars puzzle? We don't know, we will see, so let's get started. Okay. First question 2 is, can we see here the single box? Boxes, because the single box is always a 1. I see here only 1 single box, always a 1. Next question, do we have here dual boxes? I see here dual box, there dual box contains the 1 and the 2. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Same for there, 1 and the 2. More dual boxes? No. How about triple boxes then? Do we have here triple boxes? I can't see any triple boxes here. How about quadra boxes? I see here 1 quadra box in an L shape. And when you see a quadra box in an L shape, remember that the inside box, this is the inside box, is always a 5. Here we have the same shape. The inside box, this is this of the quadra box of the L shape, is always a 5 here. More quadra boxes? No. Then my next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, this shape. Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Let me check. No, only 1. Then the following shape, how about the Z or the S construction? If you rotate this to the right side, you will get the S construction, and when you flip this or mirror this, then you will get the Z construction. Let me draw this here, the S. When you see the S construction, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 2 here, all right. But also this box has the same number as that box. So this box has also the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1 here. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? No, only 1 S construction. How about the T shape? I see here a T shape. Let me draw the T shape here. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 4 here. But also, that box of the T shape has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. All right, the T shape. Do we have more T shapes here? Yeah. How about this one? This one. This box has the same number as that box, and that box has the same number as this box. Here, another T shape. This box has the same number as that box, and that box has the same number as this box. So in this case, it's a 3 here. All right. Then the following shape, how about the L shape, the last shape, I believe. Rotate it. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6, not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 4 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step it's easy for filling those and numbers. So let's get started filling those and numbers. Yeah, these two boxes can be 2. So one box left with the 2 in this quadra L shape should be there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 2. 2 numbers left in this quadra L shape for numbers 1 and 4, 1 and 4. Then let me see. This box can be a 2, but also that box can be 2. We have a double 2 there. If I place a 2 here, I can fill any 2 in one of those two boxes. So 2 could be here, could be there. These two boxes can be 2. We have a double 2 there, but also that box can be a 2. We have a double 2 there. So the only place left with the 2 in this area is supposed to be here. These 3 boxes surround the 2 can be 2. So one box left with the 2 in this area is supposed to be here. 1 and 2. We have a 2 now. No 2 there. 2 should be here. And 1 goes there. Let me think. Well. This box cannot be a 1. We have a double 1 there. So the 1 could be here, could be there. That means that those two boxes can be a 1 because we have a double 1 there. Also, this box can also not be a 1. So the only place left for the 1 in this T-shaped area is supposed to be here. Is connected with that box, should be also a 1. And this one is also connected with that one, should be also a 1. So 2 numbers left in this area. One was 3 and 4, 3 and 4. Okay. Yeah. 2 numbers left in this area. One was 3 and 4. Let me mark those 3 and 4, 3 and 4. These two boxes surround the 1 can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this area. One was 4 and 5. We have 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be here. 4 goes there. This box can be a 4. This box can be a 1. So the 1 and 4 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and 4, 1 and 4. So 1 digit left in this L-shaped area for number 3. Then, let me see. These two boxes can be a... Oh, wait. 1 and 4, we have a 1 now. No 1 there. 1 should be here and 4 goes there. Then these two boxes can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Well, it's not the solution to place the 1 there. If I place the 1 here, then this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 1. But we already have a 1 here in this S construction. So not the solution to place the 1 there. The only place left for the 1 should be here. These two boxes can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this S construction is supposed to be here. 2 numbers left for numbers 3 and 5. 3 and 5 is connected with that box, so 3 and 5. Let me think. 2 or 3. Okay. These two boxes can be 2. These two boxes can be 1. So the 1 and 2 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 1 there. No 1 there. 1 should be here and 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. 3 and 5. Okay. These 3 boxes around the 1 can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area is supposed to be here. These two boxes can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. This box can also not be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. These two boxes can be 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. These two boxes can be 2. That box can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this T-shaped area is supposed to be here. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be 2, and I've eliminated here the 3, so the 3 goes there. Mark those two boxes earlier with the 2. We have a 2 now, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. 3 and 5, we have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here, and 5 goes there. 3 and 5, we have a 3 now. No 3 there. 3 should be here. 5 goes there. These two boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this T-shaped area is supposed to be here. Is connected with that box, so 3. 1 box left in this S construction for number 5. 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area for numbers 2 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. 4 and 5 is connected with that box, so 4 and 5. Then let me see. 3 and the 4. Okay, I need to wait here. Okay, this box can be a 2. Those two boxes can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. I need a 1 here. Yeah, in this T shape we need a 1. Here can be a 1, we have a 1 over there. So the only place left for the 1 in this T shape area is supposed to be here. So 2 numbers left for the numbers 4 and 5. 4 and 5, okay. These two boxes can be 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Let me think. These two boxes can be a 2. We have a double 2 there, so the 2 could be here, could be there. The hard part. Well, this box can be 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. This box can be 5, so 5 could be here, could be there. And I need a 2 here. I need a 4 and a 5 here. Interesting. This box. 1, 2, 3. This box can be 1, can be 2, can be 4. So 2 numbers left, 3 and a 5. Let me think. Come on. 4 and a 5. Yeah. Well. I'm stuck here. Really stuck here. How about? Come on. 4. Can I place the 1 here? Need a 1 there. Okay, can you place the 4 here? Then need a 4 here. This box cannot be 3 or a 4. Can be a 5. So could be. I think this box should be a 1 here. Because it can be a 2. Can be 3 or 4. We have a double 3 there, double 4 there. Can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 1 here. Alright. That means this box can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. This one is really... I need to think here. This box can be a 4. Because we have a double 4 there. So the only place left is 4 in this area is supposed to be here. Now we have a 4 here. So this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4 and this box should be a 1. 2 numbers left for the numbers 3 and 5. Okay. 3 and 4. We have a 4 now. No 4 there. 4 should be here. And a 3 goes there. Oh, wait. This box cannot be 2 or 3. I need to think here. Oh, 1 and a 2. We have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 1 goes there. These two boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area is supposed to be here. And I've eliminated here the 1, so the 1 goes there. So 1 box left in this area for number 3. I've marked those 2 boxes elevated 2. We have a 2 now, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. This box can be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. And 4 and a 5, we have a 4 now, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Is connected with that box, should be also 5, and this one is connected with that box, should be also 4. 1 box left in this area for number 4. Then, let me see. This box can be 1, this box can be 5, so the 1 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 5, 1 and 5. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 5 goes there. So 1 digit left in this area for number 3. Then 4 and a 5. This box. Oh, I've marked those 2 boxes elevated 2. Overlook this 2. This box cannot be a 2 anymore. That box should be a 2 then. So 2 numbers left for numbers 4 and a 5. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 5 goes there. 3 and a 4. We have 4 now, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 3 goes there. 3 and a 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here. And a 3 goes there. These two boxes can be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be 3, can be a 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 3. Need a 1 here. Well, and I need a 4 here. This box can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. And mark those two boxes elevated 2. We have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be 2, and I've eliminated here the 5, so the 5 goes there. 1 box left in this area for number 1. These two boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this quadra box should be here. And I've eliminated here the 3, so the 3 goes there. And I've eliminated here the 4, so the 4 goes there. Finish in 50 minutes. Wow, not faster than 50 minutes. So is this, if I'm faster than 50 minutes, then it will be a 1 star, so let me give this a 2 stars puzzle here. Not the 4 stars, not the 3 stars. Well, I'm pleased with the time, and I like this one, yes I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And have a great and fantastic Friday. We will meet again tomorrow on Saturday. Yes, it's a weekend.